Hello everyone, this is Dr.SRIDHARAN from SNS College of Technology. So in this lecture we are going to see about the introduction to electrochemistry. The history of electrochemistry. Alessandro Volta begins with the first electrical battery in 18th century, followed by the Michael Faraday pursued the relationship between electricity and electrolyte in 1884. So, the basic concepts of electrochemistry. So, we are going to discuss the further applications of electrochemistry, such as battery or electrochemical cell. We should know about the basic concepts and their terminologies. Electrochemical chemistry deals with the relationship between electrical energy and chemical energy and their interconversion of one form to another form. So here, very important components of electrochemistry: conductors, insulator, and electrolytes. Conductors are solid material which conducts electricity through the electrons. Example: all metals and graphite. Then insulator. So the insulator is a solid material which does not conduct the electricity. For example, rubber, wood, wax, wool, glass, etc. And third one, electrolytes. That is a solution form of substance. For example, acids, bases, and salts. So there are classified into three types: strong electrolytes, weak electrolytes, and non-electrolytes. For example, strong electrolytes, hydrochloric acid. For example, for weak electrolytes, acetic acid. Example for the non-electrolytes, sugar, glucose, urea solution, and ethyl alcohol. So what are the differences between metallic conductance and electrolytic conductance? The metallic conductance, otherwise known as electronic conductance, and electrolytic conductance, otherwise known as ionic conductance. So we see about the differences between among these materials. Metallic conductance is carried out by the movement of electrons, whereas here the electrolytic conduction is carried out by the movement of ions. Second point, it involves no chemical change in the properties of the conductor. Whereas in electrolytic conduction, it involves the decomposition of the electrolyte as a result of the chemical reactions. Third point, it does not involve the transfer of any matter, whereas it involves the transfer of matter as ions. Fourth one, it decreases with increase in temperature, whereas it increases with increase in temperature in the electrolytic conductance. So metallic conductance and electrolytic conductance are essential part to construct the electrochemical cell or battery. Types of electrodes. There are two types of electrodes. The first one, anode. The anode is where species are oxidized. For example, zinc and iron. And another electrode, cathode. The cathode is where species are reduced. Example, copper, silver. The redox reaction in electrochemistry. So every one of the electrochemical reactions, it happens oxidation and reduction reactions. The redox is a word coined from the two chemical terms. The reduction, that means species gain electrons. For example, copper ions receive 2 electrons and gets reduced in Cu. And another important reaction, oxidation. that species lose electrons. For example, zinc. Zinc gets oxidized Zn2 plus and releases 2 electrons. So the both reactions are very essential of electrochemistry. Thank you for watching this lecture. We will see next lecture.